Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 1.9% in the last session. The RSI's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The last session saw the gold rise 0.9% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair exploded 2.6% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Iran is preparing to ramp up global oil sales as talks to lift U.S. sanctions show signs of progress. However, the flow of additional crude will likely be slow. Britain is eyeing a massive overhaul of the UK's financial rules, as patience with the EU allowing access to the single market wears thin. The euro is eyeing Eurozone GDP, inflation, and PMI data next week. However, dovish ECB commentary from top officials may dampen the impact of strong outcomes.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Italy's consumer price index will be released at 800 GMT, Japan's gross domestic product at 2350 GMT, the U.S. 3-month bill auction at 1530 GMT. The U.S. 6-month bill auction will be released at 1530 GMT, the U.S. NAHB Housing Market Index at 1400 GMT, Japan's machine tool orders at 600 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.